Hey pallet lovers, notice anything different? So I handpicked two different pallets with some very nice wood for this project. Obviously, we're going to detach the boards from the rafters. Whatever method works for you is fine for this. I prefer to use the pallet buster, taking care not to break any of the boards as much as possible. Once the boards are off the rafters, take off the nails. Again, any method that works for you is fine for this. I personally ran all the boards through my planer. I wanted to save myself a lot of time. If you don't have a planer, you'll just simply have to deal with a lot of sanding. When you're going to be assembling boards side by side, you want the sides to be extremely straight. So for this purpose, I'm running the boards through the table saw. I'm running one side for all the boards, and then I will be running the other side, which ensures that both sides are completely parallel. Once I'm done with this, I will be running the end of the boards as well to make sure that they're all at a nice 90-degree angle. And also, it's going to help clean up the ends of the boards so they're out of impurities and anything else I don't want. I'm laying out the boards to make sure that I pick the best ones. I want to go for variety here. So there's a few of them that I remove, and I just pick the ones that I like. Once that's done, I basically lay them out on my board. I'm trying to experiment with the exact sequence of boards here with the best ones that I found. Once I'm satisfied with the arrangements of boards that I have, then I'm going to start laying the glue onto the backboard. Spread that glue around, nice and easy. Make sure that it's ready for the boards. Now the boards at the end, depending on how you're working, may be shifting around. So it's a good idea to clamp the boards on the end and then put the rest of the boards in there and put some weight on it so it dries. After the boards are all dried, mine was sitting in the garage for a couple of months. So I'm taking a nail brush to basically clean off all the impurities. Once it's completely cleaned, then I'm going to take out some nice finish. So I picked this particular finish because it gives the wood a nice wet appearance, but it doesn't give it a yellow tint. So I picked these boards because I found that the color is very nice. I want the color to really pop out, but I don't want it to be exaggerated like polyurethane. So while you apply this particular finish, it's going to seem a little bit milky, which is perfectly normal. But once that it's completely dry, it's going to look a little bit more like crystallized wood, which is a little bit more the look that I was going for. Once it's dry, since this water-based finish has a tendency to basically make the wood a little bit rough, I'm going to sand it all down. So once I'm very satisfied with the texture of the boards and everything is sanded down, then I'm going to apply a second coat. So once the second coat is completely applied, I'm going to let it dry. And then, presto, we now have a backdrop. If you have any questions about this project or any other project that I do, please don't hesitate to leave me a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, and also definitely hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next episode.